Okay, so I need to add this to the video. I know this is all dirty and it has sugar or something here that we need to clean up. The fan also seems like has some sugar. And the pass it's already dry, but it's there, so I'm gonna clean it up. This part of the board has two, and that's what worries me, because here this capacitor, this IC, the pins seems to have uh, sugar on top, and that will make a short. Oh, it's already dry. But anyways, I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna reflow it. But the thing is, how you remove this battery. The battery also has some here, but I just want to show you how you remove this. The Like I said before, it's only on pressure. So if you notice, this has like a wider cable, so you can it's just a pressure. You just use a little bit of force, not too much, and that comes out like that. Okay. Uh, it's not. That's how you take out the thing and then you work. I had to do that because I need to clean this and use the air to clean everything really good here. And then you're gonna put a new paste here. Okay. Thank you.